See, okay, hold on, because time out. I watched him do it millions of times, but what I didn't do is try to actually do it.
Drake. You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close the curtain.
What's good, love buds? Welcome back to my channel. It's that time again to learn a new TikTok dance, y'all. I kind of been keeping up, you know. Actually, I haven't. That's okay, because like just following on TikTok, then y'all can see and learn, because it's like easy dances that I'm not about to waste my time to do a like video, you know. I'm only doing this for like dances that I know I'm gonna have a hard time learning, or like it will be fun watching me learn it, because it's like kind of difficult. I do this because I do that because that's in the dance, and it's like not difficult, but you guys will see. So I don't know the name of this dance. It's just like a beat for real, and I'm gonna learn it. So if you want to see more of these type of videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see, and let's go. So here is the dance that I'm learning, and the person that posted it that I'm learning from. So it's gonna be hard. I just want to give my credit to the person I'm watching from. So again, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of don't know the dance, but I kind of know the dance. Like yesterday while I was smoking, I just was like kept watching the video and kept watching the video and kept watching the video, and I put it in slow-mo, like just glided around like at the bottom. Lyric needs me to read real quick. It's some toys. Your hair looks crazy. Ball, yes. This is a Spanish book that she just wants somebody to keep reading, and we don't know Spanish. We're gonna send you upstairs. All right, so I'm gonna do what I believe the dance is. See, okay, hold on, because time out. I watched him do it millions of times, but what I didn't do is try to actually do it. I know that you shake your hips and do these hand motions, but I don't know how hard it is to do the shaking in the hands. Anyway, I'm gonna do what I think it is. Watch, I bet you that's how I go. Actually, I am gonna duet it, and I'm just going to screen record. So I didn't put my AirPod thingy in, and I'm screen recording. Yes, see, I was definitely wrong. I was definitely wrong, but I told you I've been watching and watching, but I never did it with him. So where I know where I messed up at is here, one hand, and you look, then the other one comes, and then you swing it around, and after you swing it around, you go boop with that same hand, and then I think you go boop, and then boop, boop, and then hey, hey. I think I'm gonna try again if I can actually do it. If that's it. I walk in. Shake your hips, shake your hips, shake your hips, shake your hips. Down, up, swing it, bam. Okay. I got it. Walk in, you shake your hips, shake your hips, shake your I don't count. I told y'all this last time. It's just shake your hips. It's actually a bend and bend and bend. but I'm gonna call it shake your hips. And then you go down, up, toot toot. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right, up, left, right, swing, down, down, jaw, jaw, sway, sway. All right, let's try it. Hips, 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 down, up, dang, dang, ooh, 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 hands, What? What is it that I'm missing? All right, I'm gonna watch as I actually know. Okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So hips, 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 down, up, chug, chug, shake it to the, right? All right, let me try like that. He said. All right, I did it though, didn't I? All right, let's try it again. I didn't, right? I don't think so. Let me look. Fuck. I keep forgetting. After you you do and you look with the and then you swing it before you or do I and then What we about to see? Walk it out, hips, 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 hips. Oh, up, down, down, shake it, shake it. First of all, going to the right first is very hard to do. Like I'm already right here. How I'm gonna put an extra hip into that? I can't do that. If you see me like chewing gum, I'm sorry. It's like I know that's distracting, but I need like something like to do like sorry. And dance teachers hate that, but I'm not dancing no more. I'm on TikTok. As Kevin Hart would say. Down, up, chug, chug, left, right, whoo, whoo. All right, so I'm going to right now try to do it full out without any mistakes. No, I don't know why I mistake like that, because there definitely gonna be mistakes. I'm gonna try to do it full out. Like that includes the whole walking in too, I guess. See, because when you do it full out, bro, I'm trying to tell you, it's like you lose sense of everything you just learned. Like when you try to do it full out sometimes, I'm saying, like, I'm gonna try it again. Fuck the walking in part. That's part of the production, not learning. Oh shit, I'm totally doing it full out. I can't. I did it. I did it. Ooh. All right, let's do it. 2 more times. Dang it, I knew it. I knew I fucked up. And I know exactly, I don't even gotta watch to see where I fucked up at, because I know. Let's hit that again. Come on. Dang. Walking, out. Hips. Down, up, drag, shake it. Up, over, Hey, I didn't really, I don't think I did it. Let me see. Shake it. Down, up, shake it. Up, flip, ooh. It really do help, like, it really does help when you say noises that's like reminds you of what the moves are. It's this one guy that I follow on TikTok, guys, and when I say he is hilarious, like that's how I learned to do the holy moly donut shop dance, even though that's not hard, but he kind of has like a little voiceover thing when he be like, holy moly, punch, holy moly, swing, woo! Like, I love him. I'll leave a video like right here.
That's holy moly, punch, holy moly, swing.
Like, I don't do any more tutorials. That's like, if it's like really hard, I do another tutorial. But if it's like an easy tutorial, I'm gonna learn from him because he's hilarious. Down, up, pull, shake it. Up, over, ooh, down, chin, ooh. She comes with the hook again. Woo, mommy can't pick you up, girl. You wanna dance? Look, mommy dance. Dance, yes. Here goes. This is the last time. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned the dance. If you have a TikTok, make sure y'all follow me on there. Y'all will see these dances along with any other dances that I do, or like funny videos or something. But yeah, follow me on TikTok. I'll leave that right here. _badgirllolo, bad gal lolo. That's it. If you are, make sure you subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss a post. And then until next time, I'll catch y'all with another video. I'm out.
I'm ready, gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. #1, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the streets.